Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have my first update for Deck of Panning. This is a project that was created by Emily here on YouTube at Emily and Max. And she was inspired by a booktuber's TBR game, Books with Maddie. This started on January 20th and goes until December 20th. And you are to take a deck of cards like this, and you are to draw 5 or so board, and all the prompts change every month. And I'm just kind of shuffling a little bit while I'm talking. So yeah, I was working on 5 prompts to begin with. A couple new prompts today. So let's go down the list and see what I was working on. The glare is a little bit much. Let me turn that. Okay, I had a game board open so I could see the prompts, but we're not there yet. So let's go. The first card I picked at the intro was the 5, and that time the prompt was glowy. So I brought in a glowy blush, and this is from Pacifica. It is their natural mineral blush in Wild Rose. I am wearing it today. Let me see if I can get a swatch for you. It's sort of a very natural, neutral, peachy blush with a shimmer in it, and there it is. My goal is to use this 5 times. Today is use number 3. I feel like I probably used it one other time and forgot to mark it, but I have 3 marked uses, so I have 2 more uses, and this will be rolling out. The next prompt was for the Jack of Diamonds, and that is for an indie product. So I brought in an indie nail polish. This is from Cattail Lacquer, and this is called Bloody and Bruised. This is from Polish Pickup Rewind in July 2024. This is a thermal, and my goal is to wear it twice. I have not worn it once yet, but I'm planning on putting it on next. The next was for the 8 of Diamonds, and that was for fragrance. And I've been enjoying fragrance a lot lately. I decided to bring in a sample. I brought in one randomly selected one from my jar of little samples. This one I got from Kim at Teacher Loves Beauty, and it is the Clean Reserve Clean Skin, whatever. That. My goal was to finish it, and as you can see, this little guy is empty. I did enjoy it. It was a nice, fresh, clean scent, and I would probably wear it again in the future. Next was for the 2 of Hearts, and that was for a pencil. So I brought in the lip liner, and this is from NYX. It is their lip pencil in Espresso. And I was wearing it earlier. It's kind of worn off, but there it is. There it is, just a warm brown lip liner. My goal with this was to wear it 10 times, and so far I'm up to 7 uses. So I have 3 more uses left to go, and that should be a rollout for the next update. And then the last product I brought in was for the 5 of Diamonds. I couldn't read my own handwriting. And that is something that is cream or liquid product. So I brought in the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie is the full name. This is what I have left. It was a travel size that I cut open and depotted into this tub. My goal was to use it 5 times, and over the last month I have used it all 5 times. I have been washing my hair a bit more frequently because I'm having a scalp issue that I need to wash my hair daily. So every other day or so I was using this to enhance my curls. Today it's just all natural. So I got my 5 uses on that, and I will continue using it, but it's done for this project. So that means I finished 2 prompts. We are going to be rolling in or picking 2 new cards. So let me pull the game board back up. Okay, So we have my cards. I'm going to shuffle them 1 or 2 more times while I take a look. Home. I don't know what that prompt is. That's an interesting one. We have glittery, fragrance, dethroned. I noticed watching somebody else's last month, there was a prompt last month that I didn't notice that was matches nails, which it's on the board again. That would be nice. I am wearing pink, so we'll see. Okay, broken, pretty packaging, chopping block, lip, copycat. Okay, there's a lot of good prompts. We're just going to shuffle them around a little bit. I'm going to cut the deck this time, and then we're going to pull off the top. The first one is the Ace of Clubs, which is baby goal. And the next one is the 8 of Clubs, which is, no, that's a diamond. 8 of Clubs, which is in it for the long haul. So give me a moment to figure out what these prompts are going to be, and I will be right back. Okay, took me a few minutes to think about things. So I decided to bring in a couple fragrances because I'm trying to work on my makeup strategically, and I didn't want to overwhelm myself with anything because I'm trying to get really good use on my makeup this year. So for the first one, the Ace of Spades, which at first I thought was the Joker because the Joker is also a single crow. Anyway, baby goal. I am bringing in a new fragrance mist to my collection. This is from Tree Hut. They're Aurora Nights I picked up, and I haven't really worn it, so I'm bringing this in to use 10 times. It is nice. What are the notes? Scent notes: cozy up under the stars with notes of warm pistachio and toasted marshmallow. I bought this because it was on clearance, and it smelled good, or it sounded good. It smells good. It does. So that I'm bringing in for 10 uses. And then for the 8 of Clubs, did I say spades? This is the Ace of Clubs, and this is the 8 of Clubs, and that is in it for the long haul. So I am bringing in one to finish, and this is from Mix Bar. This is just their 2.5 fluid ounce vanilla bourbon, and as you can see, I have given this quite a bit of love. And I want to work on finishing it. So yeah, this would be a fragrance for me to finish. So yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this update, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you do that while you're here. It means a lot to me. And you can stay up to date on all my panning, nail polish, and real life updates. So until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and remember, I love you no matter who or what you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!